Hey there, my name's Adam, and this is my renovation here on Iris Street. It's the 94th week, and I spend about half my time doing birthday things this week. It's my birthday on the 12th, and my mom's on the 16th. And then I spend about half the week doing drywalling. For my birthday, Joe and I head out to the Great Sand Dunes area and run the Rito Alto 4-pass loop, which is a beautiful 30-mile trail run. So, without further ado, let's check out the runs, the birthdays, and the drywall. I start the week by prepping for the Rito Alto 4-pass loop that I'll be doing tomorrow with Joe. I want to make sure my watch is fully charged and loaded with the trail map, that I've packed proper nutrition, and that I have a backup paper map with the important mile markers and turns. Back in Civilization, I refocused my attention on the skylight vault. I want to make sure I get this done as soon as I can because it's one of the hardest areas to get to, and I'm going to have to take that platform down to mud the remaining factory and butt joints that you see right behind me. Here's a quick teaser of what the lighting is going to look like at night if I change it to some different colors. Again, these can be set to any color, but it's just looking cool up here, so wanted to show you a few different views. Before the next coat of mud goes on in the skylight vault, I grab my respirator and my sanding sponge and knock out any major imperfections in the previous coat of mud. That's all I'm going to get done this weekend. On Sunday afternoon, I head out to Brush to celebrate my mom's birthday and my birthday, which was Friday. Out in Brush, my dad's been playing with this new green screen kit that he got, and this is his loyal test subject. My mom's birthday is actually tomorrow, but we celebrate a day early, so happy birthday, Mom. I got her this ice cream cake from Dairy Queen, and we all had green teeth and tongues. After cake and ice cream and a nice home-cooked meal by Dad, I spent the rest of the evening playing games with my nieces and just hanging out with the family and listening to some music. All in all, a great birthday weekend. Thanks to everyone who wished me happy birthday. It's you. It's me. It's Barbie. Every time I head out to Brush, I like playing on my old childhood piano. It needs a good tuning these days, but it's still enjoyable. Before I head back to Broomfield, I have lunch at my grandma's, and we hang out and chat on the porch a little bit too. Thanks for watching. See you back next week for week 95.